Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have these hook latch tools, and I guess if you have those those hook latch like carpet kit things, projects, this is what you are going to need. And give you an idea, so you have your little hook there, and then you got your little latch thing that goes through, so you can pull it, push it back, pull the next piece, back and forth. It's got a nice comfortable wooden handle, and we do a lot of crafts here at Garage Mahal, so yeah, that's what we're looking at. And these are nice and smooth, but it has a nice good like grip to it and feel. And I have like larger hands than most people, and that fits like nice and comfortable into my hand. So if you have big hands or even small hands would just be like the perfect size. But even somebody like me, I'd be able to use this pretty well. Anyhow, Brian from Garage Mahal with your new hook latch tool. Be safe out there.